This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
Did you just see that? A delivery van just dusted a car and a scooter. No driver, no problem. Meet the WeRide Robovan W5, the AI-powered future of package delivery. Forget everything you thought you knew because this is next-level automation. And trust me, you're not ready for how insane this gets. Stay locked in. Think delivery vans are just boring metal boxes? Think again. This machine is rewriting the rules. No driver, no gas. Just pure, unfiltered Level 4 autonomy, powered by advanced AI, navigating city streets with precision. Buckle up. Look at this. It's dodging intersections like it's running predictive models in real time. Traditional delivery? A human stuck in traffic, burning gas, draining time. This question mark, it's AI-driven, lightning fast, and never hits the brakes. Now, let's talk efficiency. 5.5 cubic meters of package hauling power. That's 1,000 kilograms of whatever you ordered at 2 a.m. And AI optimizes every inch of space. One van, one trip, and it's at your door before your coffee cools down. But here's where AI takes it to another level. One person, one app, controlling an entire fleet. Traditional delivery operations burn through millions in payroll and fuel. This question mark 220 kilometers per charge, running 24/7, delivering while you're still hitting snooze. And get this, it doesn't just deliver, it parks itself. AI-powered sensors and real-time spatial awareness make sure there are no dents, no drama, no mistakes, just a flawless drop-off every single time. This machine isn't just smart, it's practically omniscient. AI processes billions of data points per second. Toll payments, traffic conditions, optimal routes. It reads the road like a pro and adapts in real time. Blind spots? They don't exist. We're talking 30 million kilometers driven. That's 750 laps around the Earth, all powered by cutting-edge AI. FedEx, UPS, Amazon, they're watching closely. This electric juggernaut moves at 50 kilometers per hour, crushes bad weather, and never takes a day off. Say it with me. Your pizza, hot, your new TV, early. And an AI-powered robot just brought it. Welcome to the future of delivery. This isn't just a van. It's an AI-powered delivery terminator. And this is just the beginning. What happens when AI takes over delivery on a global scale? Will this kill traditional logistics? Or is it the best thing that's ever happened to e-commerce? Drop your thoughts below.